Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we will study some of the most commonly used financial functions of Excel. So in this example, you can see that we have taken a loan of 1 lakh rupees at an annual interest rate of 8% per annum for a period of 2 years. So I want to find out what is the monthly installment amount, what is the quarterly installment amount, what is the half yearly installment amount, and what is the yearly installment amount. Let me show you how you can do that. First, we'll click on the cell where we want to find the monthly installment. Then we'll use a function of Excel called as PMT. So we'll say equal to PMT and then we'll give open bracket. Now it is asking me the interest rate per period. So this is the interest rate, but this is for the whole year. So per period means divided by 12, comma. Then it is asking me the total number of periods. So the total number of periods is 2 multiplied by 12, comma. Finally, it is asking me the loan amount. The loan amount is a debt on you. So begin with negative and then click on the loan amount, then close bracket and hit enter, and you'll get the monthly installment amount. In the same way, I want to find out the quarterly installment amount. Quarterly means you'll be paying after every 3 months. Means in a year, you will pay 4 times. So we'll say equal to PMT and then we'll give open bracket. Now it is asking me the interest rate. Now this is the interest rate for the whole year. So I want to find out for the quarter. So I will divide it by 4, comma. Then it is asking me the total number of periods. So I'll be paying the amount in 2 years multiplied by 4, comma. Then it is asking me the loan amount. It is a debt on me, so I will say negative and then click on this value, hit enter, and it will show me the quarterly installment amount. Now I want to find out half yearly, means in 1 year you will pay twice. So we'll say equal to PMT, open bracket, interest rate, this is for the whole year, so I will say divided by 2, comma, total number of periods, this I will say multiply by 2, comma, the loan amount is a debt on me, so I'll say negative, and the loan amount, close bracket, hit enter. This is the half yearly amount. And finally, I want to find out the yearly installment amount. So it will be equal to PMT, open bracket, interest rate, comma, total number of periods, comma, the loan amount, which is a debt on me, so negative, the loan amount, hit enter, and you get the yearly installment amount. Now I want to find out the total amount paid including interest. So it will be this amount multiplied by, you will be paying it 24 times, so multiplied by 24. So this would be the total amount you would be paying. So you have taken a loan of 1 lakh, but at the end of 2 years, you will end up paying 1,08,545.50. Now let us find out how you will find out month on month, principal amount paid, interest paid, and the balance. So first let us find out in the end of the first month how much is the principal amount which we'll have paid. So for this we'll use a function of Excel called as PPMT. So we'll say equal to PPMT, open bracket. Now it is asking me the interest rate. Now this is the interest rate, but I want to find out for the period, so I will divide it by 12, comma. Then it is asking me the period for which I want to find out the principal amount, so I'll click over here, comma. Now the total number of periods, so it is this multiplied by 12. Then I will give comma, and then the loan amount is a debt on me, so negative, and this loan amount, and I'll close bracket and I'll hit enter. So in the first month I'll end up paying 3856.06 as the principal payment amount. Now I want to find out how much is the interest I am paying in the end of the first month. So I will use the IPMT function. I'll say equal to IPMT open bracket. What is the interest rate? This is the interest rate divided by 12, comma, for which period you want to find out, first month, comma, how many periods are there? So it is 2 multiplied by 12, comma, what is the loan amount? It's a debt on me, so negative and this value, close bracket and hit enter. So end of the first month, I'll pay interest of 666.67. Now I want to find out the balance. So balance would be equal to loan amount minus this amount and hit enter. So this would be the balance. Now in the same way I want to find out for the next month how much I have paid and so on till the end of the 24 months for which I have taken the loan. So I'll make some change in this formula. So in the first value where it is asking me the interest rate, I lock the value by pressing F4. Then where it is asking me the periods, again I lock it by pressing F4. And finally the loan amount also I lock it by pressing F4. And I will hit enter. Now I'll just copy the formula down. Okay, now here you need not worry. Now I want to calculate the IPMT. So again I'll make some changes. I'll lock this value by pressing F4. I'll lock this value by pressing F4. And I'll lock this value also by pressing F4. And I will hit enter. And then I'll just copy the formula down. And I'll erase this. Finally, I'll give a formula over here equal to balance minus this amount and hit enter. And then I'll just copy the formula down and you'll see in the end it becomes 0. Now I will just come over here and I'll press Alt and equal to calculate the total. And same way here I'll press Alt and equal to calculate the interest, and this is the amount which I have paid. So here you can see by the end of 24 months I finish paying the entire principal amount plus the loan amount and my balance becomes 0. So if you see equal to 1 lakh plus 8,544.50 equals to this amount, 1,08,545.0. So friends, in this particular video, we have seen the different types of PMT functions which you can use in Excel for finding out your interest amount, your payment amount, your principal paid, your interest paid for a loan taken by you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.